Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa have one nice piece of pomfret here. This should be Chinese pomfret. So I'm going to fry it and eat it with some white porridge. First of all, make sure you wash the fish thoroughly and then make few slits of the fish body, and also put in a bit of fine salt. Yeah. And you can use a kitchen towel to wipe away the excessive moisture to reduce the splattering in the hot oil later. Right, you want to heat up the oil until you see smokes coming up from the oil itself. Then you can put in the fish. It doesn't really splatter that much because I actually wipe off the excessive moisture just now. So after you put the fish inside, you want to let it fry for one side for at least 1 to 2 minutes before we flip the fish over. So we will come back shortly. Some people commented on Appa's previous fish frying video and saying, Appa, you cheated, you are using a non-stick wok. What's wrong with that? We are cooking at home. We want to use whichever is easier, right? We don't have to show people how good kung fu or cooking skill you have. It's totally not necessary. Choose the method which will make your home cooking easier, and then only you will cook more often. That is the whole purpose. So this is after about the first 2 minutes. Let's try to flip it over. Ooh. Wow, look at the beautiful golden brown color. So we will give this side another 2 minutes. Then it is almost done. Oh. You know, one thing I like about frying pomfret, it has this very distinctive flavor. It's either you like it or you don't like it. For me, I love it. My wife, she hates it. Alright, so and the thing is, when you I always like to over fry the pomfret a little bit, so that especially we get all the fins and tails to be super crispy, and that is actually super nice to eat. They are very fragrant, very aromatic. So you want to get ready and oil the absorbing paper at the side. I'm actually using a kitchen towel. Oh, it is really super fragrant right now. I love pomfret. Black pomfret, white pomfret, Chinese pomfret. I like all kinds of pomfret. And my wife hates all of them. Let me see. I would like to give this side browner color. So I give this side another 1 minute. Then it's done. I can't wait to eat this fish. Alright, 1 minute is up. Total frying time about 5 minutes. This fish is not big. This fish is probably about only like maybe 300 grams or 350. Alright, I'm going to move this over to the oil absorbing paper. Here's the fish on top of the kitchen towel. Right, so I'm going to eat it with some chili padi and light soya sauce dip. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come Cooking Appa Facebook fan page, you click like and follow button, follow up on Instagram, and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Just now Appa was having a lunch with a good friend of mine. She told me how she can, whatever she fry using a stainless steel wok, everything sticks. Fried fish, fried rice, everything sticks. Now, try to make your life easier. Go and look for the stainless steel wok. If you're worried about the coating, then just change your stainless steel wok on a yearly basis at least, or maybe even 6 monthly. If your stainless steel wok is not, if your non-stick wok is not too expensive, you can probably change it on a 6 monthly basis. That will settle the issue. Okay? So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Apa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button, follow up on Instagram, and subscribe to Cooking Apa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.